Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning the earbuds off and pulling them from the case. This prevents shorting. Once done, remove silicone tips and check for debris under mesh. Use a magnifier to spot damage. Make sure to have a small Phillips, plastic spudger, and adhesive ready because you'll open clips gently. Pry the case seams slowly to avoid breaking clips and keep screws organized in order. This preserves alignment when reassembling, which is crucial for water resistance and proper charging. You now trace the fault logically. Check battery voltage, then follow flex cables to the PCB. Damaged traces show discoloration. Once you identify a loose connector, make sure to clean contacts with isopropyl and a soft brush before any soldering. If replacing the battery, use the stated voltage and thin adhesive to avoid pressure on traces. When soldering, keep temperature low and short bursts to protect tiny components. This prevents melting nearby plastics and preserves functionality. You finish by reseating all ribbons and aligning the charging pins, then test charge and pair the earbuds while the case is still open. This saves extra disassembly if something's wrong. Once tests pass, apply minimal adhesive and snap the case closed, then run a final audio check. If problems persist, reset firmware via the official reset method or replace the suspect module. Tip: if a unit won't charge, clean pads and measure voltage. Dirty contacts mimic battery failure and are often the real culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.